Hello students, here is your lesson number 4, sorting materials into groups. Now in this lesson, how can we sort the materials into groups? So 4.1, object around us. We have seen that our food and clothes have so much variety in them. Not just food and clothes, there is such a vast varieties of objects everywhere. We see around us a chair, bullock cart, a cycle, cooking utensils, books, clothes, toys, water, stones and many other objects. All these objects have different shapes, colors and uses. जैसा कि आपको पता है कि हमारा जो फूड है, क्लॉथ है, उसमें भी बहुत सारी वैरायटी है और हमारे पास डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं, उसमें भी बहुत डिफरेंट वैरायटीज़ है. लाइक वी हैव चेयर, बुलॉक कार्ट, साइकिल, कुकिंग यूटेंसिल्स मीन्स जो खाना बनाने के जो बर्तन होते हैं वो, बुक्स, क्लोथ्स, टॉयज, वाटर, स्टोन्स एंड मैनी अदर ऑब्जेक्ट्स. And all these objects have different shapes, colors and uses. Look around and identify objects that are round in shape. Our list may include a rubber ball, a football and a glass marble. If we include objects that are nearly round, our list could also include objects like apples, oranges and earthen pitcher, graha. So these are the kinds of objects around us. This is toys, glass, pincher. These are floppy disks, this is toys, compass box, CDs, mobile phones and different kinds of tools we have. We were looking for objects that are edible. We might include all the items that we have listed in tables 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3 in chapter 1. We might also find that some of those round shaped objects we just listed out are also in this group. Let us say we wish to make a group of objects that are made of plastic buckets, lunchbox, toys, water containers, pipes and many such objects. We find a place in this group. There are so many ways to group objects. In the above example, we have grouped objects on the basis of their shape or the materials they are made from. All objects around us are made of one more materials. These materials may be glass, metal, plastic, wood, cotton, paper, mud or soil. Can you think of more examples of materials? So we have many more materials we have plastic materials like bucket, lunch box, tables, toys, water containers, pipes and many such objects. We have so many different kinds of varieties of plastic, metal, woods and cotton. In activity 1, let us collect many objects as possible from around us. Each of us could get some everyday objects from home and we could also collect some objects from the classroom or from outside of the school. What we will have: collection: chalk, pencil, notebook, rubber, duster, hammer, nail, soap, spoke of wheel, bat, matchbox, salt, potato. We can also list objects that we can think of but cannot bring to the classroom. बहुत सारे ऐसे ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं जैसे कि चॉक है, डस्टर है, पेंसिल है, हैमर है, स्पोक ऑफ व्हील है, बैट है, नोटबुक है, और शार्पनर है, इरेजर है, मैच बॉक्स है, सॉल्ट, पोटैटो. कुछ ऐसे ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं जो हम क्लासरूम में लेकर जा सकते हैं और कुछ ऐसे एग्जाम्पल्स हैं ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं जो कि हम उन्हें लेकर नहीं जा सकते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वॉल, ट्रीज, डोर्स, ट्रैक्टर, रोड. Separate all objects from the collection that are made from paper, wood. This way we have divided all objects into two groups. One group has the objects that are made from paper or wood, while the other group has the objects that are not made from these materials. Because we have so many objects, we have so many materials, we can divide by their materials. We have paper objects, we have metal objects, we have wood objects, we have plastic objects and so on. Let us be a little more systematic. List all objects collected in table 4.1. Try to identify the materials that each one of made of it. Would be fun to make this is large table collecting information about as many objects as possible. It may seem difficult to find out the materials out of which some of these objects are made. In such cases, discuss with your friend, teacher, parents to identify the materials. Now we have object like steel, glass, plastic, any other. Pen, we have plastic and metal. In activity 2, 4.2, table 4.2, list some common materials. You can also add more materials in. Now here Bujo wants to know whether we found some materials that were used for making more than one type of an object. Column 1, that are known to you. Now try and think of everybody objects you know that are made mainly of these materials and list them in column 2. We have wood, chair, From wood we have chair, table, plug, bullock cart and its wheels. Paper we have books, notebooks, newspaper, toys and calendars. Leather we have shoes, we have boots. From leather we have belt, we have purse, we have bags. From plastic we have plastic bags, plastic mug, comb, etc. etc. From cotton we have our sari, cotton bags, cotton clothes, etc. etc. What do we have find from these tables? First we group these objects in many different ways. We then found that objects around us are made of different materials. At times an object is made of a single material, an object could also be made of many materials, and then again one material could be used for making many of different objects. That what decides which material used should be used? मीन्स हमें क्या करना है, अलग अलग ऑब्जेक्ट्स के अलग अलग ग्रुप बनाने हैं कि वो उनका मेन जो मटेरियल है, मेन ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है, किस में से वो बना हुआ है, मटेरियल्स दे आर मेड अप ऑफ. ऐसे ऑब्जेक्ट्स को हमें कलेक्ट करना है, उनका ग्रुप बनाना है और उन सबको लिस्ट आउट करना है. सो हियर इज योर नेक्स्ट पेज, पेज नंबर 28 ऑफ योर NCERT टेक्स्ट बुक साइंस. Here, for making any given object, it seems that we need to know more about different materials. Properties of materials. Have you ever wondered why a tumbler is not made of a piece of a cloth? Recall our experiments with pieces of cloth in chapter 3 and also keep in mind that we generally use a tumbler to keep a liquid. जनरली हम लोग जो टम्बलर यूज़ करते हैं उसे हम लिक्विड को रखने के लिए हम टम्बलर यूज़ करते हैं, या कुछ हैवी मटेरियल हो या कुछ हो, हम उसके लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं. Therefore we it would not be silly if we were to make a tumbler out of cloth. What we need of a tumbler is glass, plastic, metal or other such material that will hold water. मीन्स हमें टम्बलर उस मेटल से बना हुआ चाहिए, ऐसे मटेरियल से बना हुआ चाहिए जैसे कि ग्लास है, प्लास्टिक है, मेटल है, जिसमें वो वाटर कैरी कर सके. सिमिलरली इट वुड नॉट बी वाइज टू यूज पेपर लाइक मटेरियल्स फॉर कुकिंग वेसल्स. We see then that we choose a material to make an object depending on its properties and the purpose for which the object is to be used. मीन्स हम देखते हैं कि हमें चूज़ करना है किसी भी मटेरियल को, एक ऑब्जेक्ट को, डिपेंडिंग मीन्स उसकी प्रॉपर्टी पे डिपेंड करता है और किस पर्पस के लिए हमने वो ऑब्जेक्ट यूज़ किया है उस पर डिपेंड करता है. सो व्हाट आर द all the properties of materials that would be important for their uses? Some properties are discussed here. Appearance. Material usually look different from each other. Wood looks very different from iron. Iron appears different from copper or aluminum. At the same time, there may be some similarities between iron, copper and aluminum that are not there in wood. Means ऐसे material जो different means एक दूसरे से different लगते हो, but they are in common, and some iron appears different from copper or aluminum. जैसे iron जो है वो ऐसे different है copper और aluminum से, but they are kind of metal. At the same time there may be some similarities between iron, copper and aluminum because क्योंकि वो metal से बने हुए. There in wood. Collect small pieces of different materials: paper, cardboard, wood, copper wire, aluminum sheet, chalk. Do any of these appear shiny? Separate the shiny materials into group. Now observe as the teacher cuts material into two pieces of and look at the freshly cut surface. What do you notice? मीन्स क्या करना है, हमें कुछ स्मॉल पीसेस लेने हैं, पेपर के, कार्डबोर्ड के, वुड के, कॉपर वायर के और एल्यूमिनियम शीट और चॉक और कोई ऐसी शाइनी मटेरियल. और what do we notice? Does the freshly cut surface of some these materials appear shiny? जो फ्रेश मटेरियल है वो आपको शाइनी पार्ट दिखेगा उसका. Do you notice such a shine or luster in the other material? Cut them away as you can. जहाँ पे आपको शाइन लगे, लस्टर मटेरियल लगे तो आप उसे कट कर दें. Repeat this in the class with as many materials as possible and make a list of those with and without luster. Instead of cutting, you can rub the surface of material with sandpaper or see if it is luster. और आप सैंड या पेपर लेके उस पर रब करें और फिर आप देखें कि वो मटेरियल लस्टर है या नहीं, मीन्स शाइनी है या नहीं, मीन्स स्मूथ एंड सॉफ्ट है या नहीं. Here is the next page, page number 29. Materials that have such luster are usually metals. मीन्स ऐसे मटेरियल जिसमें सबसे ज़्यादा लस्टर है दैट यूजुअली हैव आर फ्रॉम मेटल्स लाइक आयरन, कॉपर, एल्यूमिनियम एंड गोल्ड आर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ मेटल. सो दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ मेटल. सम मेटल्स often lose their shine and appear dull because of the action of air and moisture on them. We therefore notice the luster only on their freshly cut surface. When you visit an ironsmith or a workshop, look out for freshly cut surfaces of metal rods to see if they have luster. मीन्स हमें क्या करना है कि आयरन, कॉपर, एल्यूमिनियम और गोल्ड जो है वो एग्जाम्पल्स हैं मेटल्स के. Some metals often lose their shine and appear dull because of the action of air and moisture on them. We therefore notice the luster. मीन्स हम नोटिस करते हैं कि उसमें अभी भी लस्टर है और उनका जो फ्रेशली कट सरफेस रहता है उसी में वो लस्टर होता है. व्हेन यू विजिट आयरन स्मिथ और वर्कशॉप, अगर आप किसी आयरन की वर्कशॉप पे जाएंगे, वहाँ आप विजिट करेंगे, लुक आउट फॉर फ्रेशली कट सरफेस मेटल्स एंड रॉड्स टू सी इफ दे हैव लस्टर. वहाँ पर आप देखेंगे कि उसमें लस्टर है या नहीं, बिकॉज कुछ मेटल्स ऐसे आते हैं कि वो रफ होते हैं, देन उसमें पॉलिशिंग होती है, उसके बाद वो लस्टरस आपको दिखेंगे. नाउ हार्डनेस मीन्स टफ or solid. When you press different materials with your hands, some of them may be hard to compress while others can be easily compressed. Take a metal key and try to scratch with it. The surface of a piece of wood, aluminum, a piece of stone, a nail, candle, chalk, any other material or object. You can easily scratch some materials while some cannot be scratched so easily. Materials which can be compressed or scratched easily are called soft. Means ऐसा मटेरियल जो कि हार्ड हो, सॉलिड हो, आप आपके हैंड से उसे प्रेस करेंगे तो भी वो आपको हार्ड फील होगा, कंप्रेस भी नहीं होगा, वाइल अदर्स कैन बी इजीली कंप्रेस. और जो सॉफ्ट मटेरियल्स होते हैं, जो लस्टरस होते हैं, वो जब आप उसे टच करोगे तो आपको सॉफ्ट फील होगा. नाउ टेक अ मेटल की एंड ट्राई टू स्क्रैच इट. आप एक मेटल की लो और उसे स्क्रैच करने का ट्राई करो. द सर्फेस ऑफ अ पीस ऑफ वुड, एल्यूमिनियम, अ पीस ऑफ अ स्टोन, नेल, कैंडल, चॉक एंड एनी अदर मटेरियल और ऑब्जेक्ट.